Hello, folks. We're going to be reviewing a movie from the early 70s. Stars Jeff Bridges and Sam Waterston, the later of, what is that, Law and Order thing? He became popular later on. Elizabeth Ashley's in it. She's a popular actress, and she's from Broadway and plays and so forth. She was married to George Peppard, and Clifton James is in this as well. And he was in the James Bond movie as that sheriff guy that's saying, "You're in a heap of trouble now, boy." He's that guy, and it's about the Montana kind of thing where everybody wears a cowboy hat. Jimmy Buffett does the music, and this is before he became a parrot head. So this is his kind of Western approach. I really love the soundtrack. It's got some great tracks on it, and let's see who else is in it. I can't think of anybody, but at any rate, Sam Waterston and Jeff Bridges are these two sort of caballeros that trying to give this big rancher a bad time by shooting his cattle and then butchering it and stealing it and so forth. And it's sort of an adventure. It's got the music. You could, depending upon how you look at movies, this to me would be a musical because of Jimmy Buffett's soundtrack. Everything is guns and pickup trucks and Wild West and that sort of thing. And this was earlier in Elliot Kastner. He was famous. I think he was in that the one with all the ensemble cast with all those stars. I forgot where somebody died and they were in a Michigan house. I'll think of the name in a minute, but see here, it's the wide open spaces. Richard Bright's in it. He was in The Godfather, Al Pacino's right-hand man. And Charlene Dallas was in it. I don't think her career really went well after that. Slim Pickens is in it, very popular character actor. And Harry Dean Stanton was just starting out. I think this was the early part of his career. He went on to have a pretty much kind of a really full career. Patty D'Arbanville's in this. She was, I think she wrote a book, or no, she was associated with the guy in Miami Vice. Don Johnson. She was somehow associated with him. So I think this thing is cast really well. And it's sort of an adventure, and I just like practically every scene in the movie and I like the whole idea. And if you're not in this part of the country, it's a kind of a way to experience the nicer things and the different things about things out there, about how how everybody acts sort of different. Everybody wears a cowboy hat, and it's just a different deal. So, as a piece of entertainment, I recommend it. And let's see what else. I think the again, I think it was cast well, and it pretty much you know pretty much what you're getting. If it's some area of the country that they're all out there and they're riding horses and cowboys and guns and all that stuff. If it's something you don't like, you know enough to avoid it. You don't have to watch the thing a little ways in and find out. You can find out from me ahead of time. And I don't know what to add about that.